Hi, my name is David. I'm in junior high school. And this is me.
Me in the future?
Future.
In the future,
Yeah.
because you love nature. Yeah.
就是
That's it. And you also want to do what kind of volunteer work? What kind of volunteer work do you want to do? Only tree planting?
Yeah.
Everybody want to do tree planting.
Yeah.
Yeah, because it's very important. And you also want to grow some rice. That is like a farmer. Yeah, you like to grow rice? No? Only plant tree or recycling? You already did the recycling work right now?
Yes.
Yes? And what do you think about it? It's what kind of job it is?
Yes.
Interesting or?
Yes.
Happy.
Happy, great, and you enjoy it, right?
Yeah, I'm very
Yeah.
enjoying.
And how often do you go to? Do you do the recycling work a week or a month? How often?
Maybe mom.
A month?
Yeah.
Once a month.
Yes.
Because you have lots of pressure on your studying, right?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, very good. You did very good. Yes, and thank you so much. Okay, thank you. Bye.
Bye.